Hey, do you want to learn how to use Jotform website widgets? It's a new feature that they have added, and we have got like 150 plus free website widgets that we can embed on our WordPress, Shopify, or a custom made website. If you lack these features, like if you want to add Google reviews, a weather widget that displays current conditions, Instagram feed, and a lot more, like you can also add your YouTube gallery and such. I know that there are alternatives to Jotform website widgets, but they are very expensive. And this widgets directory that they have released are for free. You can use them for free. So you need to go over to jotform.com/website-widgets, and then on it, you're going to find all these widgets here. For example, what I'm going to do is scroll down here and use the YouTube gallery widget. So I'm just going to use this widget here. Once you do that, it's going to take you over to this page. Now you need to scroll down. Towards the left-hand side, you'll see some options to customize this YouTube gallery widget. First thing is you can add a YouTube URL. For me, I'm just going to say @solvebase right here, and it's going to fetch all my recent videos with all the information, my YouTube about page, the subscribe button, how many videos I have, the total number of views I have, the subscribers, and all this. Now, towards the left, again, you got the language. I can change the language from here like this, change it into different language. And the header description, if you want to change that, you can do it. This is your about page of YouTube. You can change that from here. And below it, you got the play mode. So you can do a pop-up, inline, or YouTube. So if I go with pop-up and I press on it, it's going to open a pop-up like that. Inline and YouTube are three different options here. Privacy enhanced mode, you can enable that. And below it, you got video descriptions. You can disable that, and video counters as well. You can disable it. Then there is slider mode. You can enable the slider mode here. I think this is what it is. The page counter at bottom here. Once you're completely satisfied with what you have done here, just press on the continue button, and then you can change the color scheme as well, like this, dark, or you can go with custom, change it as per your liking. Remove the header, subscribe button, Jotform branding. You can also remove that, which is going to show up at the end. Remove that, and use custom CSS as well. If you want to customize these grids and such, you want to beautify it, you can do that with custom CSS. Font, change the font here like this. And yeah, once done, just press on the continue button. Layout, YouTube channel, YouTube compact like this, or list. I think YouTube compact would be much better. Full width, or change it to custom width like that. So it's really customizable. The widgets that they have are really customizable. Enable or disable these header elements from here too, and the space between videos. Once you're done, just press on try it on your website for free. It's going to show up for all the widgets that you customize. So let's press on this, and it's going to show you this pop-up where it says embed. And now you can copy and paste this snippet code to your website. And these are all the guides for all of the different website builders. I'm going to show you how to do it for WordPress and Shopify. I'm just going to copy it from here. Right-click copy, or you can press on this copy button as well. One more thing before we continue forward. Once you have edited and customized a widget and you want to see it again, you can go over to this link right here, jotform.com/mywebsitewidget/. On it, you'll see all your recently edited widgets right here, and you can edit them, embed, get the embed code again. And you can also press on this more, clone it, rename it, hide from website, or move to trash from here. All right, let's go over to WordPress, and then on the WP admin page, towards the left-hand side, you can go over to pages and then all pages. Now, let's say you want to add it to one of these pages that you have. For example, I got this home page. I can click on edit. And right here, we are in the editor, the Gutenberg editor. We also have the Elementor page builder inside WordPress, which I will show you how to add this there as well. Now, we just scroll down, and let's say I want to add that YouTube gallery widget right here. What I will do is on the top here, on the top left corner, you'll find block inserter, press on this. And then in the blocks, you need to search for HTML, custom HTML. Just click it and drag it somewhere like this, and then edit the HTML. Now inside it, I'm just going to paste this code right here. And you can see on the right hand side, you can see the preview. Let's press on the update button. And once you have added the embed block, the custom HTML block with our code inside it, once you have done that, I've actually added it on a different page now. So once you do that, you need to save it, and then you can view your website like this. And you're going to find that that YouTube gallery widget is now showing up on the page. And just like this, I can also use the Elementor. So I can edit with Elementor on the top, go inside any of your pages, and then press on the edit with Elementor. All right, once you're inside the Elementor editor, you're going to find this right here. You need to press on this plus button and then the flex box. Then use this first icon. After that, on the top left corner, press on add element. Here, search for HTML and drag and drop it inside this flex box. And then on the left hand side, we need to type in the code, the HTML code. So I'm just going to go back here, copy the code, and go back to this Elementor right here and paste it in the HTML code field. And that is it. Now on the top right, press on the publish button, and let's take a look at the changes. Now we have added the same widget with Gutenberg and Elementor page builder on WordPress. Now I'm going to quickly show you how to do it for Shopify as well. So what you need to do is go over to your admin page on Shopify. Then on the left hand side under sales channel, press on online store. Under it, you'll see pages, click on that. And then on the right hand side, press on add pages. Then right here, I'm going to say YouTube gallery like that. And then let's go back here. So if you're unable to see this, you actually have to go here, jotform.com/mywebsitewidget/. Just need to refresh it. And then you're going to see this YouTube gallery right here. Let's press on embed. You can also edit it. Let's press on embed. And if you select Shopify, you can see the guide for it. And the same code would be used for Shopify as well. So copy it, go back to Shopify here. Now on your Shopify page right here, press on the show HTML under content, show HTML. And then we're going to paste this code right here. And then on top, save it. Now, if we look over to this page, preview it, we will be able to see our YouTube gallery on it. If you go back to the My Website Widgets here on Jotform, if we press on this Shopify, it shows some different guide. I think you can do this as well. You can go over to online store, go to themes, actions, then edit the code in theme.liquid or the layout file that you've used for your store. You can embed this widget code before the closing body tag and then save it. That should work too. But yeah, for me, I think this would be enough. If I want to show a YouTube gallery on my Shopify page, I can just do this process. Just press on the HTML button, paste the code, and save it. And it would work just fine. And yeah, just like this, you can do it as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with the liking comment. And if you want more Jotform related guides and fixes, it's going to be available on the right hand side in a playlist. See you there. Bye for now.